Have downloaded the stock price data directly from Yahoo Finance into R, and we have saved the data, and then we have calculated the returns in a separate data frame called GG underscore rate, and we have 3 columns there: symbol, date, and return. So if you want to look at it, we can click here and see symbol, date, and return. So now what we are going to do, we are going to compute the summary statistics of the returns, of the daily returns of this company. So that can be easily done. At first, let me keep the note what I am going to do. So compute the summary statistics of stock returns. So for doing that, we will start with the name of the data that we are going to work with. So that is essentially GG underscore rate. Okay. So on this data, what we will do, we will use a pipe operator, and then we will ask to summarize, which is a deploy R function, summarize, and we will ask to summarize across the rate column. Okay, across the rate column. So across the rate column, across the rate column. What will be the summary? What will be the summary? What will be summarized? So we will provide a list of that. So the list will contain the summary statistics. So for example, the summary statistics could be average. So the average is actually average can be calculated using the mean function, and then we will also use the standard deviation std dev. So standard deviation underscore dev, standard deviation. So that can be computed using the SD function, and then we can also calculate the minimum, that will be using the mean function, and then maximum, that will be done using the max function. So if we use this way and then press Ctrl Enter, we can expect that the summary statistics will be calculated, and you can see we already have got the average, the standard deviation, the minimum, and the maximum here, okay, based on these computations. So this is how we can compute the summary statistics of the stock returns. That's all.